Assalamu alaikum. Good day, sir. My name is Saidul Islam. I am a civil engineer with around 4 years of experience in both government and private project. I completed my diploma in civil engineering from Rangpur Polytechnic Institute, and currently I am studying BSc in civil engineering at World University of Bangladesh. I have worked as a project engineer, including on the Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport Terminal 3 expansion project. I have experience in site supervision, estimating and casting, and coordinating structural, architectural, and MEP drawing, manpower management, work schedule management, work inspection report preparation for bill closing. I am hardworking and responsible. I can manage every work efficiently and safely. Thank you.